Tear down of the old pop-up. It's time to tear it down, folks. Treasure Coast Outdoorsman here. Here's what she's looking like this morning. Here's all the garbage I've been tearing out of it. What the inside looking like. Now it's getting flat. Starting to take the floor off. Here's the floor gone. Here's what the back's looking like, kind of rusty. Clean it up. Clean it all up, get the rust off of it. We put some Osflow on it. Putting it on right here to make that rust nice and hard. Here I put a coat of paint across it, just a coat to stop it from rusting. Hey, give us a thumbs up. Your thumbs up gets our videos out there. Look for the next build. Hey, like us, subscribe. God bless you.